Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Have you ever wondered what exactly is the universe? And is it possible that the universe is still growing right now? Today, we are starting an exciting journey into space science. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am your teacher, and you're watching Mind and Universe. From today, I am officially starting a brand new series. Back-end index pointing right, Space Science Complete course for beginners. This course is specially designed for beginners, with simple English, clear concepts, and daily lessons. If you want to understand space, planets, black holes, and the secrets of the universe, then this course is perfect for you. Pushpin, a new lesson will come every day. Pushpin, and today is day one. So let's begin. What is the universe? In very simple words, the universe is everything that exists. It includes all planets, all stars, all galaxies, space itself, even time. This means you, me, and the Earth all are inside the universe. How big is the universe? This question still surprises scientists. The universe is so huge that, backhand index pointing right, we have not found its end yet. Backhand index pointing right, it may be infinite. Backhand index pointing right, and it is still expanding. According to scientists, the observable universe contains white medium star, billions of galaxies. White medium star, and each galaxy has billions of stars. Just imagine how small we are in this vast universe. How did the universe begin? Most scientists believe the universe began with backhand index pointing right, the Big Bang. About 13.8 billion years ago, the entire universe was once a very tiny, extremely hot point. Then suddenly, collision, a massive expansion happened, and the universe started growing. And here's something amazing. Backhand index pointing right, the universe is still expanding today. What is the universe made of? The universe is mainly made of four major things. Keycap 1 galaxies, huge systems of stars. Keycap 2 stars, like our sun. Keycap 3 planets, like Earth, Mars, and Jupiter. Keycap 4 space, which looks empty, but is not truly empty. At a more advanced level, scientists also talk about dark matter, dark energy. Don't worry, we will study these later in the course. An amazing fact, here is something that may shock you. Most of the universe is actually invisible. Scientists estimate only about 5% of the universe is normal matter. The rest is dark matter and dark energy. That means most of the universe is still a mystery. Today we learned what the universe is, how big the universe is, the basic idea of the Big Bang, what the universe is made of. If you understood today's lesson, congratulations. You have taken your first step into space science. Party popper. In day 2, we will explore backhand index pointing right, the Big Bang theory, in detail. And trust me, it will be mind-blowing. If you want to continue this complete course, thumbs up like this video. Bell subscribe to Mind and Universe. Speech balloon and comment. I'm ready for space. I am your teacher. See you in the next lesson. Allah Hafiz, and take care. Rocket.